Hey guys, welcome to the craft station day 1. Today we will be making a stress ball because like how a stress ball helps us deal with stress, Jesus helps us get through hard things. Trust Jesus. The materials you will need are one old sock or whatever you can find around your house, some uncooked rice or beans, you could also use flour but that might get messy, a rubber band, and a pair of scissors.
Okay, so I have my materials right here. So my scissors, sock, my rice, and my rubber band. And so what we'll basically be doing is to just be putting this rice into this sock and tying it up, and you can make it as fancy or as not fancy as you'd like. And let's get started. So what first thing we'll do is, if you have a long sock, then feel free to just roll it up. And if not, you can skip this step. So what I'm going to be doing is to be grabbing this cup of rice, putting the sock over, and just kind of pouring it in. Okay, so now that my rice is in my sock, I'm going to unroll it. Okay, so now we have a little squishy. Because I have a long sock, what I'm going to be doing is to be tying it up like so. So if you have a long sock, then you don't need the rubber band, but if you have a short sock, use the rubber band. And remember, when you make it, it's up to you how tight you want to tie the knot to the rice, depending on how squishy you want your stress ball. And here's where the scissors come in. So this part's optional, completely optional, but if you think this is annoying, then feel free to just cut it off. You're cutting it off like so. And there you have it. So now we have our stress ball. Yeah, just enjoy playing with it. Alright, so let's talk a bit about how this stress ball relates to today's Bible story with Ananias helping out Saul. Sometimes we have to go through hard things and not understand why. God called Ananias to go help Saul and find the Lord again, which is not an easy task. This stress ball is much like how Ananias felt when he was first told to do such a thing, because he knew how much Saul was in conflict with the Lord. And then after much urging from the Lord, Ananias was obedient and did what God told him to do and healed Saul's eyesight. So that's it for today's craft. Feel free to play with this as much as you'd like. And overall, very simple today, starting off very simple, okay? So that's it for today's craft, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.